In the previous video, we went over how to properly set up your work area for plating, but let's now go over the recommended settings for black ruthenium. Your plating beaker should be heated to 160 degrees Fahrenheit and use a platinized titanium anode. For the plating rectifier, we recommend 2.5 volts with a 1 to 3 minute plate time. With everything set, we're ready to get started. For safety, we recommend wearing gloves, an apron, and protective eyeglasses. Also, ensure your work area is properly ventilated. For repair items or badly oxidized pieces, you will want to start with polishing and then cleaning in an ultrasonic cleaner. Once clean, rinse in distilled water. For new items, you can usually go straight to the Electro-Cleaner. Use a piece of copper wire to hold your item and connect the negative lead of the rectifier. Electro-clean for 1 minute at 125 degrees Fahrenheit with 5 volts applied to the stainless steel anode. This process removes any oil from the hands and polish to ensure the plating solution bonds well to the surface. Once completed, rinse in distilled water, then visually inspect the item for polish oil and electro-clean again if needed. Next, acid activate for a few seconds and follow it up with another distilled water rinse. This will neutralize the electro-cleaner soap. Finally, connect the negative lead from the plating rectifier to your item. Turn on the unit and begin plating. We're going to plate for about 2 minutes at 160 degrees Fahrenheit with 2.5 volts applied to the platinized titanium anode. Well, there you have it, a perfect black ruthenium plate. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below or feel free to contact us, and be sure to check out our playlist of plating videos. Thanks for watching.